10 foods to eat and avoid when on keto diet. What exactly is a ketogenic diet? A ketogenic diet is a meal plan that is low on carbs, moderate on protein and high in fat. The idea is to fine-tune nutritional intake in order to send the body into the metabolic state known as ketosis. Ketosis is a process that happens when your body doesn't have enough carbohydrates to burn for energy. Instead, it burns fat and makes things called ketones, which it can use for fuel. The body enters a state of ketosis when it no longer has stores of glycogen sugar to fuel its energy needs. The liver converts fat reserves into ketones to present to the body as an energy source. This is why the keto program is a good way to lose fat. Foods to eat. You should base the majority of your meals around these foods. 1. Meat. Red meat, steak, ham, sausage, bacon, chicken, and turkey. 2. Fatty fish, salmon, trout, tuna, and mackerel. 3. Butter and cream, grass-fed butter and heavy cream. 4. Eggs, pastured or omega-3 whole eggs. 5. Condiments, salt, pepper, herbs, and spices. 6. Cheese, unprocessed cheeses like cheddar, goat, cream, blue, or mozzarella. 7. Healthy oils, extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil. 8. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, etc. 9. Avocados, whole avocados or freshly made guacamole. 10. Low-carb veggies, green veggies, tomatoes, onions, peppers, etc. Foods to avoid. Any food that's high in carbs should be limited, like grains, sugars, legumes, rice, potatoes, candy, juice, and even most fruits. Here's a list of foods that need to be reduced or eliminated on a ketogenic diet. 1. Sugary foods, soda, fruit juice, smoothies, cake, ice cream, candy, etc. 2. Grains or starches, wheat-based products, rice, pasta, cereal, etc. 3. Low-fat or diet products, low-fat mayonnaise, salad dressings, and condiments. 4. Fruit. All fruit, except small portions of berries like strawberries. 5. Beans or legumes, peas, kidney beans, lentils, chickpeas, etc. 6. Sugar-free diet foods, sugar-free candies, syrups, puddings, sweeteners, desserts, etc. 7. Root vegetables and tubers, potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, parsnips, etc. 8. Some condiments or sauces, barbecue sauce, honey mustard, teriyaki sauce, ketchup, etc. 9. Unhealthy fats, processed vegetable oils, mayonnaise, etc. 10. Alcohol, beer, wine, liquor, mixed drinks. You should base the majority of your diet on foods such as meat, fish, eggs, butter, nuts, healthy oils, avocados, and plenty of low-carb veggies. Like, share and subscribe.